Hey guys, Carl's with the HID Factory, and today I got the Chevy Camaro. So we did on this vehicle, we went ahead and did the halos and the grill light. These halos are custom for this vehicle. They have the cutoff on the bottom and on the top. So let me go ahead, once y'all look at that, let me get them turned on for you. And turn on that grill light as well. So, like most of our halos, these are controlled via Bluetooth. And let's get paired up. There we go. So, cool thing about these Morimoto controllers, they're actually on 2 different channels. You have 4 channels to choose from. So if you want your halos to be one color and your grill light to be another, we're able to do that. Change out to whatever you like, whatever color combination. Or if you want them running together, they can run together and cycle through colors. So these halos and this grill light is something you purchase online at thehidfactory.com. Another cool thing about this, guys, if you're not located in Houston, if you can't just drive your vehicle to us, if you'd like to ship your headlight to us, we can modify them in any way you want. We can customize them, halo, zemanizer. As you see, if you have a Camaro, we can do this as well. And our bar light, again, it's a simple installation. You get back there, we wire everything up. If you're looking for different vehicles, maybe something that looks exactly like your car, if you're trying to find your car where we modified on that, you can check us out on YouTube, YouTube The HID Factory. And also, guys, on our YouTube and on our Facebook page, we give away lights, we give away t-shirts, we give everything. You just need to like and subscribe. We're trying to get the subscriptions up. The more people we get to like our videos, the more videos we can do, the new product we can push out. So yes, anything you need, your lighting needs, we're here. Give us a call. Thank you again.